everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Michelle. I haven't been filming for like over 2.5 years or almost 3 years. I do apologize. Those 2 years was rough for me. I was helping with my father. If you guys didn't follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, my dad had throat cancer in 2019, and then 6 months ago he did pass from the cancer. So it's been like a shitty year for everyone. Sorry, that's my dog. And you know, the pandemic and everything, so it's been hell. So that's why I do apologize that I haven't been on, and everything went crazy in my life, so I do apologize again. But hopefully 2021 will do very well for everyone this year. Hopefully our COVID and everything, since we're having COVID vaccines this year, hopefully COVID will go away soon, I hope. But anyways, I want to think about positive since it's 2021. I just wanted to do a first video since it's been years, so I don't know how to film anymore, so I do apologize for that. But I do have 2 big boxes of Jeffree Star here. I did order a mystery box from Jeffree Star during the holidays. I ordered it from December 12th, and then it arrived on December 31st. And then my mom also ordered me, you know, Jeffree Star products for Christmas as well. It also arrived the same day, December 31st, and my mom ordered it in December 24th. So I was just like, what the hell? The other package was quicker compared to the holiday mystery box. So this is my first mystery holiday box. Let me see which one it is, because I haven't opened it yet, but I did already, you know, cut it out, you know, for the scissors so it'll be easier to open. So I think this is the mystery box. Yes, it is. So this is the mystery box. I got the deluxe, the second biggest one. I didn't want to get the sky blue one because it's too expensive and everything, but I also ordered something so I could get free shipping. I also got the Velour Lip Scrub. I tried these back in 2017. I love them, and now this is my second one. This time I got the flavor pink lemonade, if you guys are curious about it. Sorry, I don't know how to film anymore, so I'm just gonna zoom it in for you right there, and let me show you how it looks like. So this is good, especially it's winter time, so my lips are really freaking dry like right now because I'm wearing a matte lipstick, and these days who the hell wears makeup? Especially all that mask. But this is the pink lemonade one. What color is it? Oh look, it's cute. Oh my god, it smells so good. I heard this is edible, but I'm not gonna eat this unless it goes accidentally, you know, inside my mouth. Alright, so the mystery box. I'm so excited because like I said, alright, so my camera died. So we were about to open the mystery box from Jeffree Star. So this is the deluxe. Is it the deluxe? I'm not sure. I forgot. Let me look at the receipt. Yeah, this is the deluxe large winter mystery box. Yay. So let's see what's inside. I already cut it, pre-cut, just to see how exciting. And don't mind me, you guys. I know I look so different from my last videos. I got really big because I'm currently 5.5 months pregnant, so my cheeks is swelling. I'm just swell. I'm just huge right now. But let's open it up. Let me come closer to you. So let's see. Oh, so the first thing you see, because I kind of saw some videos online already on YouTube. This is the long sleeve shirt. I got the size large. So I think everybody knows how this looks like. I am so lazy to pull this, you know, unfold this right now, but it's like a long sleeve shirt for the winter. So I'm probably going to wear this. And then, oh, yay. I got the, I think this is a Shane Dawson collaboration with Jeffree Star when they had that, oops, conspiracy. Yeah, the conspiracy thing. But yeah, this is, ooh. So this is all the 6 colors. If you guys are curious, I don't wear all of them, and they kind of look like the formula looks like it's just all, I know you have to shake it, so I have to play around with this. I'm not gonna open it right now because I might give some to someone because some of the colors I don't really use, but that's exciting to use for that one. And then let's see the next one. I'm just trying to do this quick as possible because I'm really tired. Pregnancy makes you lazy and fatter and hungry. Okay, so the next one I got a, oh yay, I think this is the lip pencil. Yeah, so this is the lip pencil Celebrity Skin. I never tried his lip pencil before, but I did try his highlighters and Velour liquid lipstick because of Manny, MUA. I was a big fan when they collabed 3 years ago because I'm a big fan of Manny. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna take it off the box. So I heard Celebrity Skin is a good like kind of nude color, so I'm excited to try this out because I heard a lot of people got the Scorpio, and Scorpio is more purplish mauve tone, and who the hell wants a purple lip? I'm sorry, I'm just like a basic girl. Like the only thing I like in my lips is usually like a tan color, especially because I'm tan. If you guys didn't notice that, I'm like more into the olive medium skin tone. What the fuck? This shit's hard to open because it's like, I don't know, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is how it looks like, this pencil. It's so cute. Little crown. This reminds me of kind of like Sailor Moon type of shit. But look how beautiful that is. And I want to show you how it looks like. This is a really pretty color. I'm excited to try this out. I hate how you have to sharpen it because I always lose my pencil sharpener for lip products. I know I bought like 3, but you know. And the next one is, I never tried this. I think this is called his Velvet Trap lipstick. So this is a new thing. I know he came out just recently a few months ago, and I'm surprised he actually put this in his mystery box. It's really beautiful. So here it is. What color is this? Hot Commodity. Is this the really pink one? Oh shit. If this is the really pink one, you know I'm not gonna be wearing this a lot. But it's a very beautiful bullet looking lipstick case, and I heard it's magnetic. Yeah, it is. Very cute. Is it pink? Bitch, it's pink. I don't know if I'm ever gonna wear this. Probably I would wear it just at home, or when I'm like really bored and I want to do some makeup. But the detail on the lipstick is really pretty though. But I never wear a hot pink lipstick, so I'm excited to try this. I used to wear a lot of pink lipstick back in 2014, but that was like years ago, man. I'm gonna be a mommy soon, and I'm like, oh, this is crazy. And so that is it. Oh, we still have 3 more. And then I also got a gloss, I think. Yeah, this is the gloss. And then the color shade is called Mouthful. So I think this is the, yeah. So this is the, with the Orgy. Yeah, this is with the Orgy, you know. Yeah, it is with the Orgy. So that's why the color is like more nude. So I also got the Orgy Palette, FYI. I see it right there. It's like literally huge. I mean, I'm glad there's a tan color than a colorful one because I am not a big fan of colored makeup. But I'm happy that I actually got my first Jeffree Mystery winter box. It is so, I like it because it's mostly nude. There's not a lot of like colorful. There's some colorful ones, but I think that he did a good job for this one, especially it's my first time. So this is what it is. It's called, let's see, Mouthful. Very, very nudie and sparkly. I'm excited to try this. I'm not gonna open it yet since I know once you open a freaking lipstick product, it'll expire in like 6 months. So I'm like, please don't mind me not opening it. I know there's sometimes I know you guys want swatches, but I know there's a lot of swatches there online now right now. So let me put this back. And then there's 2 more. This is the second. Oh, Unicorn Blood. So I got the Unicorn Blood. I think my mom ordered this. Or did she get designer blood? I'm not sure. So let me see what she ordered for me for Christmas, but I think it's something similar to this. This is the Velour liquid lipstick, so I'm excited to try this. You know, this is one of his OG colors. Oh shit, this is actually pretty. It's more like tannish, like literally the same, almost the same color as my lipstick right now, but a little bit more deeper and darker. It is so pretty. Ooh, I'm excited to try it. Okay, and then the last but not least on the mystery box, it's the Orgy Palettes. I'm surprised they didn't do a highlighter for this mystery box, but it's okay. I mean, I think this is worth the price. So this is the Orgy Palette. I never seen the Orgy Palette, so I'm gonna pull it just to make sure it's secured and didn't, like, you know, break during the delivery. Holy crap. They're literally like kind of nude. Okay, this is huge. Wow. This feels actually heavy as shit. Okay. There you go. Wow. Jeffree Star is really naked in here. So this is the Nude Palette. Wow, so it's beautiful. It actually doesn't look like it broke. I'm excited to try this, but I have so much eyeshadow right now that I haven't used because of the stupid pandemic. So I might not try this till later this year, but this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. So I'm excited what my mom got me for Christmas. I mean, I told her what I want. So I'll see what she actually got me, because sometimes, you know, when you tell your parents what you want for Christmas, they're like, I don't know what to get for you. And then I just tell her, and sometimes, you know, it's a surprise. Okay, let's open that one. Over here. Oh my god, so much boxes. All right, so this is her order she gave to me for Christmas. So you get this pink tissue papers. And then the information of what she got me. Okay, so she also got my eyeshadow palette. Okay, so she got me the Conspiracy palette. I'm excited to use this. I know this is with Shane Dawson as well. So excited, because this was on sale, she said. So glad she saved a little bit of money, you know. I'm actually shocked that she got this on sale, because never thought this would actually be on sale, because I remember this was hyped like over a year ago. So this is the Conspiracy palette. It literally looks like a VHS box. That is so funny. I used to have so much collection of Disney movies for for the VHS. This is the thickest palette I ever owned, so I don't know how to display this. It's interesting. Oh, it's cardboard. It's not even like interesting. Okay, so that's why. Alright, let's see the color. Wow, it's very colorful and pretty. I'm excited to use a little bit of the colors, especially this color, because I actually got a sweater that I told my mom to get me, because I love a freaking wine red color, especially during the fall and winter season. It looks so beautiful. I'm excited to try this. Okay, put that away. So this is the one I was telling you about. She did give me a freaking sweater. So this sweater is the Jeffree Star tie-dye sweater. I'm actually going to open this one because I actually want to wash this and wear it to see if it fits. It doesn't have an opening. I think I have to rip it up. So if you guys don't know what this one is, it's the tie-dye sweater one. I think the name of it is called, yeah, Berry Hoodie Custom Dyed. So that's what it's called. Oh, I'm excited too. Wow. Wow, that's actually big. Oh, it feels like a North Face sweater. It's actually pretty. It's huge. I'm excited to wear this because, you know, I'm getting really big, and my mom ordered a large size for me because she's like, you're gonna get bigger, Michelle. You're only 5.5 months. And I'm like, yep, thanks for ordering me a big one so I could fit it throughout my pregnancy. But there's a lot of little fuzz, but that's fine. It's a Christmas gift, can't complain. But this is beautiful. I'm excited. This is really pretty. All right, let's see what else she got me. Is that it? Oh, and then she got me 4 more products here. So I got 4 more lip products. So let me start off with the Shane one. It's because my lips has been chapped, especially for Vegas. It is so freaking cold here now. Like, it goes to 30s. Because I work 6:30 in the morning till 6 p.m. So my shift is too much. But my lips are so chapped because of the cold weather. So I'm glad she gave me like a little chapstick. This is like a lip balm. So this is from the Shane Dawson collection. It's called Diet Shane. So I think this is supposed to smell like a root beer. I don't know. Is this magnetic? Oh, it's the same thing, format, bullet, but I don't think this is magnetic. No. Yep, so I'm excited to try this. It's just a plain clear lip balm. I'm excited because my lips are so freaking chapped. Awesome. And then this third one. Oh, so she got me designer blood. Because the other one that I got from the mystery box is unicorn blood. I'm glad it's not the same because I'm going to be like, oh my god, I got two duplicates. But no, I didn't. Yes, designer blood. And this is more into... This is really pretty. I thought it would be more darker, but this is actually lighter. This is more red tone than the other one was more a little bit to the orange. I'm excited to try this. This is designer blood. Okay. And then I also got Calabasas. I always wanted to try this color, but I hate pink shipping, so I'm glad my mom got me this color. So Calabasas is more like a nude pink, mauve pink, I guess. I wonder how this is gonna look on my skin. I don't know, but it looks pretty. It looks wearable, so I love that as well. And then last but not least, allegedly, is the last color, well, the last product here in my little Jeffree haul. Here you go. Oh my god, this is more nude. Wow, in the online it looks freaking darker, but it looks pretty. Hopefully all of this look good anyways. I'm gonna save this. All right, that is all my haul. I know it's kind of like short and everything, but if you guys want to see my little my virtual gender reveal as well, because like I said earlier in the video, I am about 5 months and a half pregnant. I am due in May, maybe end of April, but we shall see. So that's why I look so different. I'm literally kind of breaking out a little bit of the chin area because of stupid mask. So I don't mind my ugliness right now and my fatness. But I'll be back for this year, 2021. Hopefully I could try to film at least once a week just for you guys, because I know it's been a while. And I need to do updates on my Louis Vuitton and my purses and everything. And yeah, hopefully this year will be everyone's year. And you know what? I wish you guys a safe year and a healthy year. And hopefully you guys spend time or at least do virtual with your loved ones, because you don't know what's going to happen. Because I'm still shocked with my father, how he passed, because we thought he would actually survive this cancer, and you know, just took it away. His life was taken away. And like I said, life is short, and you guys appreciate it as much as you can with your loved ones. And I hope you guys have a good 2021, and you guys, I wish you a happy new year, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Okay, take care, and thank you so much. If you guys are still following me, those fans, you are one of the truest, and thank you again. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
times.